This is a diphthong, a double vowel sound. The shape the mouth makes changes from the beginning of the word to the end. It's pronounced oi. Did you notice how my mouth changed shape? Watch. Oi. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Oi. Oi. Now here are some words which have the oi sound. Choice, noise, boy. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Choice, noise, boy. Good.
Two A. All, oil. Ball, boil. Corn, coin. Tour, toy. Raw, Roy. Two B.
All, oil, all, oil, oil.
Boil, ball, boil, boil, boil.
Corn, corn, coin, corn, coin.
Toy, toy, toy. Tour, tour.
Raw, Roy, Roy, raw, raw.
Two C. It's all there. It's oil there. It's a ball on his head. It's a boil on his head. Look at that golden corn. Look at that golden coin. The paper tore. The paper toy. Hear the engine roar. Hear the engine, Roy. 2D.
It's a boil on his head.
Look at that golden corn.
Hear the engine, Roy.
The paper tore.
It's oil there.
Three B. Joyce Royals Rolls Royce. What a terrible noise, Mrs. Royal!
Isn't it annoying, Roy? It's out of oil.
A Rolls Royce, out of oil. And look, the water's boiling. Perhaps you've spoilt the motor, or even destroyed it. How disappointing. It's such a beautiful Rolls Royce. And a Rolls Royce isn't a toy.
How disappointing. I'll be late for my appointment.